Over the years, the way that I have delivered my wedding films has varied. From creating DVDs, to sending a Vimeo link, to creating custom landing pages, blog-style formats, to finally just simplifying all that nonsense and having a dedicated solution for delivering my wedding films in a beautifully customized way that truly elevates my client experience. I've been using Vidflow for 5 years, so it felt fitting to do a video on the 5th day of wedding filmmaking tips on 5 reasons why I use Vidflow for delivering my wedding films. Number 1 is cloud services really fail at delivering that unique experience. Dropbox, Google Drive, WeTransfer, all of these platforms are easy to use and offer that simplicity, but there's really no personalization. There's no customized experience that you're creating. Now, of course, to each their own, but in my opinion, the way you deliver your wedding films matters just as much as how you create them. And using cloud-based services just remove that professionalism and unique experience that I feel your couples deserve. Number 2, YouTube. It's great for content, but bad for wedding films. YouTube, of course, is another common choice. It's free, easily accessible. However, YouTube just comes with a number of issues that makes it less than ideal for really showcasing and delivering your wedding films. For starters, YouTube is not a platform designed specifically for sharing private, professional content. It's riddled with ads, unwanted recommendations, and other distractions that can really detract from the experience you're creating. And couples really don't want to be bombarded with irrelevant content when they're sitting down to enjoy their wedding film. And the biggest is YouTube really lacks that downloadable feature. That means in order to provide a way for your clients to download their film, you have to find another solution, and it's just a lot of unnecessary back and forth. Number 3 is custom web pages. Now, custom web pages are interesting because it does come with that personalized branded experience, but it does come with a time cost and potential web side effects. Because creating individual pages takes time, you have to upload each video to a hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo, and then you have to have another platform for downloading like Google Drive or Dropbox, WeTransfer, whatever you use. And then depending on how many web pages you create, say you film 20 weddings in a year and you're creating 20 web pages, that could potentially slow down your website and lead potential couples to move on to someone else because they couldn't even get through your site. So custom web pages, yes, they are enticing, but I don't think they're the ideal solution. Number 4, you really want an all-in-one solution. Vidflow offers a powerful alternative to all of these methods by providing a fully managed, seamless solution for sharing and downloading wedding films. You get better device compatibility, because Vidflow allows clients to view their films on all devices, including smart TVs and streaming platforms. No more worrying about compatibility issues or needing adapters for USB drives or even DVD players, because half of the laptops nowadays don't even have a DVD option. And unlike basic cloud services, Vidflow offers that branded experience. And your couples can enjoy their wedding films without being bombarded with ads or unnecessary content. And the accessibility factor, because Vidflow makes it super easy for your couples to download their wedding films without the need for all the complicated workarounds. Having that simplified process is just going to make a very seamless experience for your couples. And last is the maintenance factor. I mean, having something that you don't really have to maintain or worry about or stress about, it's a completely hands-off solution, saving you that time and effort and only really using it when you need it. But the last and most important reason why I think you should use a platform like Vidflow is because it's crucial for building a reputable brand. Now, of course, that's a big statement because not one platform is going to be the deciding factor between whether or not your business is reputable. But the reality is you've worked tirelessly and poured your all into this film. Your couples have put their trust in their hard-earned dollars into you, and you really deserve a way to showcase this film in a powerful and beautiful way, and your couples also deserve to view their film in a powerful and beautiful way. You know, I went through the headaches. I went through all the cloud-based platforms. I made the DVDs. I sent the Vimeo links, I created the custom pages, and having a solution like Vidflow that's an all-in-one solution to just save me a lot of time, create that seamless experience for me, just made a ton of sense. So if you're interested in checking out Vidflow, you can get 20% off an annual subscription by using my code WAYWARD. And if you made it to the end of this video, I'm sure you're thinking, well, this was just one big ad. Vidflow is just paying you to say all this stuff. And I want you guys to know something. When it comes to any kind of promotion, any kind of business or subscription or service or whatever it is that I'm promoting on this channel, I use it. I test the waters. I make sure that it's a reliable solution, that it's something that I know can really elevate your business, elevate your experiences for your couples. Not gonna be something that I'm just taking the money, taking the bag, and I'm just going straight to YouTube. That's not how I run my business. That's not how I care to run this channel. Everything that I say about any kind of company is my honest opinion. So take that for what you will. Hope you found this video helpful and valuable in some way. If you did, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.